I'm building a new box for this in the future anyway, so this old box doesn't matter. It's pretty well beat up. Just like that. And I'll back it into the building and I'll blow the sawed-off stuff up. Where it was leaking, unless I know it's hard to see in here. It's not the greatest, but I don't know if that is signs of where maybe it was leaking right there. You can see that because that does look like liquid coming in here because it was pressurizing when it got warm. And if you look here, that head gasket don't look that bad yet. But I have a brand new gasket and a brand new head, so I don't know if that's focus over here. Focus. There we go. Yeah, I don't know if it's leaking in through there. Not 100% sure on that. It's not cracked anywhere here that I can see. That all looks pretty darn good. Don't see anything wrong with the little block on it. But that, maybe. Alright, so as you can see, I got the brand new little head, and it's the one I need too, as far as I can tell. It's exactly what I need, and it was packaged really good. And it's MyMROmarts, I think that's how you pronounce it. So they gave me, I gotta be careful I don't get dirty, but they gave me 3 hats as well. Very nice hats. I think I got it dirty already, but it's bound to get dirty anyway. And then they also sent me this as well. Now I didn't have to pay for these. They reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to review they would send me the parts I needed. And it was fast, and they shipped it fast. I think it was only like 4 days or so, maybe a week it was here, I guess. But they sent me the brand new head with the valves in. Now I priced that little guy, and that was a lot. Like I wouldn't have been able to afford that for a long time. And then they also sent me this as well. And I did ask them if they had any kind of a banner I could hang up in here because I like banners. So they made this one. This is really nice. So I'm going to put this up on a nice piece of live edge and probably hang it in here over the mill. Can you see that? Yep. I think it's MyMROmarts, right?
I think so. I think that's how you pronounce it.
MyMROmarts. And then I'll pull this up here. I don't really want to get this dirty. Oh, it's going to eventually get dusty and dirty, but so he sent me quite a few of these stickers too. So world's okayest heavy equipment operator, MyMROmarts.com. Here's another one. Heavy equipment operator, warning to avoid injury. Do not tell me how to do my job. Hey Heather, where should I hang that one? Or actually, it's viewing. Danger, no entry. And you see it's got the MyMROmarts.com website as well. I run hose for honey. Warning, this door is not raptor proof. True. Real men play in the dirt, less weight, quick fix. MyMROmarts. And here's another one. Never mess with a heavy equipment operator. We know the best place to hide the body. Yeah. And then, here's a complete gasket set as well that they sent me. So there's a new head gasket. And here's all the parts I need. I think that's the complete engine rebuild kit. So that's the little guys that go on top of the valves, maybe? I'm not sure. See, yeah, this is a complete top head set because I don't need the umbrellas for the valves because they sent me the head that has the valves already in it. Those caps, no, that's not what I was thinking it was, but the caps, I'll be right back. So these caps here, when you pull these engines apart, you do not want to lose these caps. They go right on top of the valves. Boom. You don't want to lose those when you take them apart. And if I am correct, this is where the old head gasket was leaking. It's right here. Oh, the other thing too, when I ordered this, I had to, so on the website it asked me if it took the 10 or the 8mm glow plugs or the upgraded 10mm. I could be wrong, but I'm guessing what happens is when they undo these, when somebody's working on these, they undo these will break off inside the head, then they have to drill in the 10mm, but I said 8mm, and sure enough, look at that. It's the one I needed. There's the, good, I'm glad I got the 8mm ones. So everything should go back together on this. And the block looks good on it. It doesn't look to be anything on the block that's bad. I gotta clean it up, of course. And here's where I believe it was leaking, was right through here. It might have been just a head gasket. I did not want to take a chance to find out it wasn't. So it would have been leaking underneath, not here. It would have been leaking not towards the block side. So it was not leaking towards the block side. It would have been leaking towards the gasket side, which was here. And it kind of looks like it's been blowing through here. It looks like it's been coming out through the water jacket here and getting in here, because that is antifreeze. But the top of the pistons, they just look a little sooty, so that's not too bad at all. But it should go back together pretty good. So I cleaned the top of that. They sent me everything, so we will clean that and we'll get this put back together here very shortly, and we'll see how it goes. I'm just really tickled pink that they reached out to me and offered to help us out with this. So yeah, thank you very much. MyMROmarts, right there. If you folks are looking for industrial parts, Caterpillar, Kubota, whatever, check them out. I'm pretty sure you'll like what you see on there. 30-day return exchange. That's nice. We priced this head, I think, right? Without the valves, it was over $1,500 here before tax and shipping.
Yes, it was.
With the valves in, I didn't even want to price it. just this gasket alone here, just the head gasket, was I think $150, right? The complete set, if I'm correct here, was $500. So I'm guessing with the valves in, I was looking at probably $2,000 with the head with the valves in. It's $1,500 for the head, probably another $500 for the valves. I could be wrong on that, but I know they said $1,500 for this head without the valves in. $150 for the gasket, and I think they said, I could be wrong, I think they said $500, maybe $300 for the whole head set. But this looks like it's a whole, because, oh, I also have the oil pan gasket too, sorry. I'll be right back. Now they also sent me this. This was in a separate package. This here, I believe is the oil pan gasket, but I don't need the oil pan gasket. I believe they sent me the whole complete rebuild gasket set for this engine. Which, yeah, and their parts, so I looked online, and their parts is, I think a little better priced than anywhere else I looked. So, I'm just very glad they reached out to me and said they would help us out. So they sent this stuff free of charge. We didn't have to pay for any of this, thank goodness, because we couldn't have done it. Now it's just a matter of cleaning this up, switching over the temperature sensor, the intake manifold, the injectors. And the one thing I like about this head too, see this head here? The valve cover went on with these 3 bolts, okay? That went on with 3 bolts, but, yeah. But see, if I had the other style valve cover, so this goes on with the 3 bolts, 1, 2, where are they here? Which side valves?
1, 3. What do you mean?
3 holes. Where are the 3 holes? What am I doing there?
I don't know.
It's backwards. That's what's confusing. I have this set right or wrong. So there's 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So those three holes there, 3 holes there for these studs to hold the valve cover on. But if you have the other style valve cover, they've got all the other bolt holes as well if you need them on there to bolt the other style valve cover on. That's good. We should be golden. So we're gonna get this together and hopefully get it going this evening or tomorrow. One bolt. I don't know what happened to it. Not really a big deal. I'll find another one to fit it. Alright, all the tools are off. Everything looks good, right? I bled the system already. So, brand new head, new gaskets. The exhaust is broken, so it's going to be loud. But it overheated almost instantly before. Now this had a bad head gasket. I suspected it was a gasket before. I wasn't sure when I was running whether it was a head or a gasket, but time will tell. Hopefully this solves the problem. Let's see what it's like. Can you hold on here a little bit? Speed up. Have the cover on here. I'm going to call on it. It's not overheating. Now remember before I have to run the glow plug to start this, remember? Every time? Yeah. Remember that? No, wait there. Okay. Pull over, you have the glow plug. You have to take it off though. Just take the right and see if it overheats, right?